If you're experiencing Roblox Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. This guide will help you understand the potential causes and solutions. Step 1. Check Roblox server status. Visit the Roblox status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, the error may be temporary and you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. If you are using Roblox on a web browser, clearing your cache and cookies can help. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cache and cookies. After clearing, restart the browser and try again. Step 4. Update Roblox. Ensure you are using the latest version of Roblox. Check for updates in the App Store or on the Roblox website. An outdated version may cause compatibility issues leading to errors. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the error persists, uninstall Roblox from your device and then reinstall it. This process can fix corrupted files that may be causing a cloud save error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error 2025 in Roblox. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.